I have to start this video off by saying I am so surprised by the response I've gotten on YouTube about my videos regarding the Xiaomi Mi Airdots. I am so blown away by the response that I've gotten that I'm uploading a lot more than I normally would. And on top of that, I'm trying to make specific videos answering questions and concerns that you guys had regarding this product. In today's video, we are going to cover one thing that has come up repeatedly: Bluetooth latency, or what kind of delay there is for video between the device and the earbuds. I think I figured out a reasonable way to test or to monitor Bluetooth latency. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get my lav mic right next to one of the AirDots. I'm going to turn the gain all the way up, and I will see what kind of audio I can get from that. So in this test, we are going to start with AAC audio, and then we are going to go to APT-X. In between that transition, I'm going to be turning the AirDots off or putting them back in their case so that they will hopefully pair under the new Bluetooth codec. Hey guys, my name is Mitchell. If you're new to my channel, I make videos about tech, the gear I use, and creating content here on YouTube. Today we are talking about the Xiaomi Mi Airdots, and I will have an affiliate link to GearBest for them. If you guys want to buy them through GearBest, know that it really supports my channel. Here in Vietnam, the $2 to $3 I might make off of your purchase as a commission really goes a long way, and it really helps me purchase new products and make videos about products that you want to see. Okay, enough of me talking. Let's get to what you guys want to see. First, we're going to check it with the Pocophone F1. And next, we're going to check it with the Mi Pad 4. We're going to do different audio codecs. We're going to play a little bit of PUBG with the AirDots attached to it so you can see what the latency is. And the video that I will use for the demo is from my other YouTube channel about living and traveling throughout Vietnam. And if you guys want to see that, I'll have a card to that channel linked right up here somewhere. And if you guys check it out, that's awesome. Okay, let's get to it. I hope you guys enjoyed that Xiaomi Mi Airdot ASMR video, I guess. It's kind of what it was. As you can see, there's Bluetooth latency. Also, as you can see, unless I'm doing something wrong, their preferred way of connecting is over AAC codec. It's kind of out of my control. That's what the lag is like. If you guys want me to do a comparison video, comparing the lag to other Bluetooth 4.0 and 4.2 headphones, let me know in the comment section down below. But I hope this puts to rest what lag there is and how it affects it. If you guys are interested in purchasing them, I have my GearBest affiliate link down below. It really supports my channel. In the future, I am going to be reviewing some of the items I already have, such as the Xiaomi Mi Light Strip, the Pocophone F1 and custom ROMs for it. I'm going to be reviewing the Mi Power Brick Charger, the 60 watt 6-port with USB Type-C brick that they have. I've already done reviews on the Xiaomi Powerbank Pro and other Xiaomi products. If you guys are interested about the videos I have about living in Vietnam or living abroad, relocating, visiting, go ahead and click up here and I'll have a subscription link down below. And until next time, guys, it's been Mitchell. Peace.